Okay, we are looking for the keyword worksheet from the CHS LMC Resources Schoology group. Here's the main page, resources. Here we go with the main stuff right here. We'll look in research guides. You'll see the research that I have here, and here is the keyword worksheet. It is a Google Doc. So when that opens up, what I recommend doing is actually creating a copy of it. So that when you edit it, it's your own version of it and not just the one that I have linked here. So File, make a copy. Save it to your drive and click OK. And you'll have your own copy of the keyword chart to work with. You can edit it, you can print it out, you can work within Google Docs to add your questions and topics, and we'll go over that in the next video. Okay, now that we have the copy created, you can go ahead and rename it whatever you want. You can call it like keywords or US history or whatever project you're working on. There we go. Okay, so we have here, it gives you a little overview of what we're looking at. Effective researchers use this strategy of broadening their search for information by identifying keywords, concepts, synonyms, and related terms. You can use an overview article, something from World Book or FactSite, an encyclopedia. You may even be able to use Wikipedia is okay to find some ideas. So search engine, subject headings, you can even use stuff in the database too. So it has an example here. The question is, how will global warming affect life in New York City during the 21st century? So it has keywords, concepts. So we're going to be filling in our topic or question, and I'll be using the one that I typically have presented on before. So how does the Holocaust historical anti-Semitism in Europe? Okay, so typically what I showcase is when identifying keywords, the words that convey the main ideas of your topic or questions. So what we want to be looking at for here is the most important nouns. So we can pull out three here. We pull out Holocaust, anti-Semitism, and Europe will be our main three keywords that we pull. Now we want concepts, what words that describe the big ideas to which your topic is related. So I think our main one would be World War II. We can add genocide in there. Maybe we want Germany, religion or religious, persecution. Those are some of the concepts that we're looking at. Synonyms, words that mean the same as your keywords. So this is where it's kind of tough, but we concentration camps, do anti-Jewish. We can do European countries. We want to be specific, so we can mention the specific. We already mentioned Germany, so maybe Poland, Austria, France. Typical countries that were involved in World War II. We can change up World War, the European front. Okay, and then related terms, we can use, maybe we could do death camps, Jewish ghettos, do World War II, we could do II, persecution we have on there, ethnic cleansing, you can throw in Hitler's name in there, solution, just additional related terms that you might come across. Okay, so that's just looking at the keyword chart, and this is going to be very helpful when moving into the databases and using these terms to locate information within the database. So you can start with your keywords, then you move on to concepts and ideas, throw in some synonyms if you're not locating any, you'll need to change it to concentration camps or Europe, specific countries, and then go into your related terms. Don't just get stuck using these 3 terms here. Move on, think of other ideas. That's the whole idea about this keyword chart, is having this progress through your research, because it can be difficult using the databases. That's why you need to throw in additional terms.